I invented a new niche, and I was secretly working on it to see whether I could gain 1,000 subscribers within 7 days. But I didn't get 1,000 subscribers. Instead, I gained 5 times more subscribers than that amount. Well, what I'm about to teach you in today's video will blow your mind, and those who start this process as soon as I upload this video will have a huge advantage with this video. As I mentioned earlier, I completely invented this niche. What I did was, I put together 2 different viral niches and made a new one. And I'm going to reveal this niche to you guys because why not? That's what we do in this channel. And I know a lot of channels talk about the niches that already exist and have hundreds of channels. So it's completely up to you guys to trust me and start this niche today. I took dark motivation niche and history niche and combined these 2 niches. The best way to explain this niche is to show you a video I created.
They called him the Mad Monk, a man wrapped in mystery, surrounded by whispers of dark magic, a hypnotic gaze that could pierce the soul. But Rasputin wasn't a sorcerer. He was something far more dangerous. A master manipulator, a man who bent the will of Russia's most powerful family, using nothing more than psychology, persuasion, and the illusion of divine power. It began with a desperate queen. Empress Alexandra of Russia was drowning in fear. Her son, the heir to the throne, suffered from hemophilia, a disease that made the smallest wound a death sentence. No doctor.
I'm going to show you 2 methods for making videos for this niche. The first one involves using an automation AI tool, and the second is a manual method. Let's start with the automation AI method. When I got this idea, I went to ChatGPT and told them I was going to combine the dark psychology niche with the history niche, and then ChatGPT gave me some ideas such as making videos about historical figures who use dark psychology to win wars and do things. And then I asked for several name ideas as well. After that, ChatGPT gave me 20 historical figures to combine with dark psychology. We have Genghis Khan, Napoleon Bonaparte, and more figures. Then, I asked ChatGPT to generate a short video script about one of these topics. And I got an amazing video script for a short video. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to use an automation AI tool for this first method. This AI tool is called Faceless AI. You can use this tool to make short and long videos from scratch. Not only that, you can use this tool for niches like fake chat stories and AI stories, and you can even convert MP3 into videos using this tool. Let me show you how I use this tool to automate this process. Once you sign up using the link in the description, you will come to this page, click this Create a Video option, and you need to select this text to Video Feature. Then go to the next page by clicking this. Now you can select either a short video or a long video. This is going to be a short video, therefore I'm going to select this vertical option. Here you can select an AI narrator for your video. I don't think we need a narrator for this video, therefore I'm going to go with the no narrator option. Then you can check these AI voices and select a suitable voice for your video. A strong male voice would be good. Now here you can either generate a script using your topic, or you can just paste your video script to this. Since we have a script already, let's add it here. As you can see here, this whole process only consumes 1 credit. 1 credit for 1 short video is amazing and affordable. You can create hundreds of videos with this tool. The next step is to select a suitable AI style for this video. We have several styles available here, so I'm going to go with this ancient Egypt style. And let's generate the video. This might take several seconds to complete the video. Once the video is completed, you will come to this page. As you can see here, we have all the AI images that have been used for this video. You can change this if you want. If you go to this music option, you can add background music. If you want, you have the option to upload your own music from your device. With this subtitles feature, you can change the subtitle style and size and customize the captions. Finally, you can use this editing style feature to edit the transition style. After everything is done, you can export this video, and it's super easy.
How Genghis Khan used dark psychology to conquer. He didn't just defeat enemies, he broke them before the battle even began. He turned fear into a weapon, spreading stories of his unstoppable wrath, forcing cities to surrender without a fight. He let a single survivor escape from massacres, ensuring the terror spread like wildfire. His enemies saw piles of skulls, burning villages, and the brutal fate of those who resisted. The choice was clear: submit or be erased. In just 25 years, he built the largest empire in history, not just through war, but through the darkest tactics of manipulation and control. This is the dark psychology of a conqueror.
Now we know how to make short videos for this niche. The next step is to make long videos. I'm going to do this process under the manual method. For a long video, we need at least a 5-minute long video script. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and use this prompt to generate a long video script. Looks like we have an amazing script. You can either read this script and add your own ideas as well, or you can directly use this script. I'm going to use this script without changing anything. The next step is to generate AI voiceovers for this video. I'm going to use 11 Labs for this process. You can find the link in the description. Once you sign up for your 11 Labs account, you need to find a good voice first. You can go to this voice library and check the voice you need. I'm not going to show you the whole process of checking which voice is better. I have selected this voice called Adam for this process. You just need to copy the script to this and generate voiceovers. Then you can download all the voice files to one folder. Now, let's move on to the next important step, which is creating visuals. I'm going to combine AI videos, AI images, and actual images for this process. You can find actual images related to this history figure on Google. It's not that hard, just search on Google and download all the necessary images. For the AI videos and images, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. Now, I've given the instructions to ChatGPT to generate the necessary images for each scene. After you give these instructions, all you need to do is explain the scene, and ChatGPT will give you a detailed prompts that you can use in Leonardo AI to make the images. Then, you can copy these prompts and go back to Leonardo AI and generate images. By using ChatGPT to generate prompts, you can save a lot of time. So, with this method, I have generated several AI images for our script. You can do the same. You can either use these images for your video or you can turn them into videos. For that, go to the main menu and select this motion feature. Now, when you click this, you can go to your Generations tab where you can find the previously generated images. Then, select the image you want to convert to a video and increase this motion strength, then click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, that image will turn into a video. Just like this. You can create several AI images and videos. Now, it's time to edit these and make the final output. I'm going to use CapCut for this process. Once you open your project, make sure to select this 16 by ratio as the size of the video. Then, you need to import all the voiceovers and video clips to this. Let's start with adding voiceovers to the timeline. After that, all you need to do is add the video clips to the suitable places. It's not that complicated. Now, I have added all the video clips to the timeline. Now, let's add some transitions between these clips. Go to the transitions from the top and add these transitions to the suitable places. It's not a complicated process. After adding transitions, we need to add captions for this video. So go to text from this top menu and select this auto caption feature. With this feature, you can automatically generate the captions. It will only take several seconds. Now, let's make these captions more visible by adding some effects. You can change the size of the caption using the menu, and I'm going to change the font as well. Now, if you scroll down, you can add some text effects. If you want to add more text effects, go to the effects from the top menu, and you'll be able to see different styles of text templates. I'm going to go with this red color template. After that, go to this animation and select this caption animation option. Now you can add some cool caption animations to these subtitles. Finally, you need to add the background music to the timeline and adjust the voice, and that's all.
They called him the Mad Monk, a man wrapped in mystery, surrounded by whispers of dark magic, a hypnotic gaze that could pierce the soul. But Rasputin wasn't a sorcerer. He was something far more dangerous. A master manipulator, a man who bent the will of Russia's most powerful family, using nothing more than psychology, persuasion, and the illusion of divine power. It began with a desperate queen. Empress Alexandra of Russia was drowning in fear. Her son, the heir to the throne, suffered from hemophilia, a disease that made the smallest wound a death sentence. No doctor could help, no medicine could save him. And then came Rasputin, a man from the frozen wilderness of Siberia, a self-proclaimed holy man who promised salvation. With a single touch, a whispered prayer, the boy's bleeding stopped. A miracle? Number A, trick of the mind, a well-crafted deception.
So just like this, you can easily create both short and long videos for this niche. I hope at least 100 people will start a new channel with this brand new niche. You can also share your progress with me. With that, today's video has come to an end. I wish you the best of luck, guys.